Introducing the Hisense 5.8 cubic feet stainless steel freestanding gas range with fast preheat. It's so fast, the oven just might finish preheating while you're still meal prepping your ingredients. The flexible cooktop is equipped with 6 burners for all you multitasking chefs out there. There's a power burner that takes water from 0 to boiling in a snap. And the other burners have flexibility to go from high heat to a slow simmer. So cook whatever you want, however you want. Oh, and did we mention it comes with a griddle? The AirFry Mode gives you a healthier alternative to fried foods, but with the same crunch you love. The Convection Oven circulates heated air around the food continuously for faster and more even baking and roasting on every rack. But wait, it gets better. This oven includes special modes like dehydrate, pizza bake, bread proofing, convection bake, convection roast, frozen bake, broil, and delay bake. So whether it's cloud bread, a salmon rice bowl, fruit chips, or whatever the newest chaos cooking trend is, we've got a mode to help you make it easier. Equipped with 2 cleaning options, self-cleaning for an easy scrub-free cleanup and steam cleaning for those occasional messes. And of course, comes with a 2-year warranty, twice as long as others, for the just-in-cases out there. That's Hisense, a better way to cook.